uh, I just screwed up a little bit this morning. And my face is the wrong color. Let me get that changed. So, I don't need to close that. I need that over there. All right. So I was just working on my Amazon and eBay. I woke up to this morning, over late last night from when I last checked it to this morning. Actually, no sales this morning, but late last night I had $1,274 worth of sales come through. That's fantastic. I already got those all boxed up and ready to go. As you can see, I got no open orders here. eBay, whoops, was I got some messages coming on over here. All right, let me try to read these real quick. I've been going back and forth with these guys. So this guy really just sent me. This guy is really, really trying to get this phone. So the phone that this guy's trying to get, and I need to try to get this taken care of so that way I can get over to my main work. Let me check this phone. Let me see. Where am I at on it? Yeah, I'm losing money all the way around. So they're really trying to get this phone here. So I just told them I would lower the price. Um, it's a nice phone. All right. I will put this on. Where am I gonna put this? I'll guess I'll put it inside this tab. This. I don't need this one anymore. All right, so Wing. I am looking at Wing. So Wing is starting to get kind of interesting here. It we don't need to look at it on here. We can look it over here. So yesterday it had a really good climb up through several dollars. Several. It's kind of hard to figure out, but I think I might like Wing. It is a very slow moving stock though. So it's a couple hundred shares type deal. So we're gonna see what that does. Tesla is looking kind of starting to get interesting here. Definitely starting to trend up. Missed out on Ford. Ford is already kind of going. Knee is going up. Starting to. I probably wouldn't be too interested until it starts to get back over this right here. So 54. Rivian is, yeah, starting to bounce back, but Rivian was only interested as a short. I would want to see what it does. I might go back in it as a short in a few days or something. I don't know. But at this moment, I want to hold off on it. Um, so he just took the offer on it. So I just shot him a deal. Oh, so they actually sell on eBay themselves. That's kind of cool. All right. So I'm singing here a little bit. I got some music going this morning. All right, so Rivian, I'm not looking at too long. Boyle looks like it might be going back down, but I'm not gonna do anything with that for right now because that um could be kind of all over the place. So I don't know what that's gonna be yet. Looks like they just bought the phone, so looks like I gotta get that shipped out. That is going to be a losing deal, but sometimes better to just have the cash and take the loss and invest it elsewhere. So, all right. So, boil. I'm doing like six different things right now. Sorry. So boil. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with that. Not today. But that could change. This is a Israel stock. It actually climbed up the last day, dropped Monday, went up today. Lebanon is now fighting Israel, so they're getting attacked on two sides now, I think. Yeah, so they're getting attacked from Lebanon. Lebanon. Huh. So Lebanon, Gaza Strip, Syria, which is mainly Muslim, which is the religion of Lebanon and the Gaza. So that could be a problem if Syria wants to join in. They do. Is that a small country that they would have to go through? So that looks like that is something that will be friendly to Israel, but they're not going to have much of a defense. So it would be Israel and Jordan, maybe? I don't know. Either way, I think Israel might be in some trouble if Syria and Iraq joined Gaza and Lebanon. And religion wise, they're going to be kind of friendly. I don't know. I think the war that's going on over here is actually quite upsetting. So it's going to be hard to gauge what's going to happen, but I think the economy of Israel might be very unshaky. It might be on very shaky ground. Um, how much sleep did I get last night? I don't feel like I got that much. I'm kind of tired. Yeah, it shows I got to sleep at freaking just before midnight, and that's about right. So 6 hours. I need to try to. Good morning, Jeff. I need to try to get some better sleep. I'm not getting very good sleep here. So, I need to go get the scanner up today. I didn't even have that done. I got too busy in my eBay, Amazon stuff. No, I'm not trading mainly those guys, so even though I'm a little delayed on that, it's fine. So how are you doing today, Jeff? That's good. Yeah, I didn't get it. I feel like I didn't get enough sleep today. But I was talking about Wing earlier, early this morning. Wing might be getting interesting to go long on. Sorry, I'm still trying to manage my eBay right now. I dropped some pricing on some stuff, so I'm getting a lot of messages on it. Um, and I also had several packages for Amazon today. So yeah, I'm already making a little bit of money. Not well, kind of. I lost a little bit, but it is what it is sometimes. Intel INTC, not the song. Um, 3680, I think is where I'm gonna start to get kind of interested. So you see how this and here seem to kind of line up. So 3680, I'm gonna keep an eye on that. That is over. Oh, I don't have this all set up yet. Oh, I gotta fix that. But Intel's sitting right here. 3680 is where I might start trying to keep a very strong eye on this. Cancel. Hold up. Can I recover it like this? No, it does not want to recover. All right, I just had to fix the scan thing. All right, let's get a refresh on this map. Let's see what's going on. World. Israel's not doing that bad. I think Israel, I was just talking about Israel. The economy there, I think, is going to be having some trouble. Who are you? Garmin. That is a Swiss company. I don't know how I forgot that that was a Swiss company, but I guess that's a Swiss company. Um, So kind of interesting here. Went ahead, turn off my face for right this second. I'll turn that back on here in a little bit. But I'm gonna stand up from my computer and kind of stretch my legs. I sat down at the computer early this morning. Uh, just getting caught up on some stuff, so I need to stretch my legs. Oh, phew. Wide open. Creed, I haven't heard this song in a while. Creed, with your arms wide open. It's a good song. I can only listen to it so many times though. Oh, I gotta water my little plant here. I got a little plant over here on my windowsill. I started growing it from some cuttings. So, uh, kind of nice. And maybe a little bit more than just kind of. It's thyme. I like fresh thyme. I don't ever seem to have enough time in my life. So maybe if I grow some of it, I'll have a little bit more time. That's a joke in a few different ways. That'd actually be kind of like a funny little TikTok thing. Alright. So Jeff, is there anything you're looking at particularly? I see that small caps are popping a little bit today comparative to where they have been. The list is kind of long. I haven't really worked anything on it though. Toop was actually a really good one from some time ago. And GNS, I know that one's been around off and on. Let's take a look at those. So we got SINT, hit the scanner a few times. Yeah, definitely not interested. Toop. This one has been a interesting player from way back over here. So, we'll throw that right here. I don't think I'm going to trade it, though. GNS. You're a wild one. Not going to be interested in that, though. And then SLS, I know that one. I don't like that one. So we see here it did get above the 2 and then it dropped. So that's not a very good thing, and I'm not a big fan of 2. Um so all right. TPST. That's a little bit of a jump. You're not gonna be interested in that, I don't think. No. No. FENY. I remember that one from, yeah, not really all that far ago. Where it shot up. Shot up pretty good. But I think the spread on this one was crazy. CVNA. Let's take a look at Carvana. That's I want to short this, but it's HTB. I can't short it. Shop. That's one I'm interested in. So shop is starting the trend back up. Definitely, definitely interested in shop. So let's get that on the day list over here. So we'll throw that one right there. Um, AMD. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and sit tight right here. SPCB. This was a stock that was doing good yesterday. And you see they always seem to drop. Okay, go ahead, pull that off. Not gonna be interested in that. Um, yeah, I think Tesla might be the play for today. I don't know. I'm gonna run out real quick. I'm not even gonna take my camera thing off. Oh, it's just gray anyway. You don't see anything. Huh. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Woo! I had to go use the bathroom real quick. I don't think I've missed anything. Well, I guess I'll see. All right, I'm done with this. All right. Yeah, I'm not really missing anything here. Actually, I'm done with music for right now. Just that right there, I guess. So kind of early this afternoon, I gotta take off probably around 11. I got a few things I gotta take care of. So, with that being said, it's going to be a little bit of a waiting game here. I think Tesla might honestly be the thing I'm watching the most for right now. That's definitely a good drop on Boyle. Oof. Are you going below here? I could actually take that alert off. That alert doesn't do anything for me. Um, I think for right this second, this is what I want to watch. Layla, what are you doing? So that's what we're gonna do. Keep an eye on this. Let's see what happens. I think Obsidian just got in here. Maybe not. I don't see him in the chat room yet. But I'm wondering if today might just be another day that I just kind of sit around. I'm just trying to wait for the good easy plays, kind of like what I did in August. Oh, I did do a few other plays yesterday. I made how much money did I make? I actually forgot to talk about that. I made $133 yesterday. So I went in a little bit more on uh uh Queen, but got didn't really make that much. It was like $5. But I jumped a get over here on Tesla, and I took a little bit. It was and got triggered a little too early though, earlier than I wanted. But uh, I'm not too upset with it. Looks like I gotta restart my computer. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll worry about that later. So, all right. So yesterday I made a little bit. Um, it was a very, very small green day, but hey, I'll take it. That was not anything important. That one. Spam protected. I want to get rid of that damn frickin'. They were texting me way too damn frickin' much. Bull crap. Uh, that stock is looking good. TPST. I don't know if I want to play that though. I don't think I like that. It just seems like a very relaxed kind of day. I mean, I see a few things kind of trying to go here, but I'm just not sure what I think of these yet. You know, today I didn't make me any tea because I didn't know if I wanted tea this morning. Now I wish I had some tea. Oh well. So our goal is if we can get a good entry, is to try to sit in it for a period of time. Where that entry will be, not sure yet. I'm thinking above here. So going to 267. Just gonna, I guess we're just going in this kind of easy so far. The last several mornings we've had a bit of a slower day. Jeff, is there anything you're looking at? A little late for me to ask for 2 minutes before the start, but we'll roll with it. Excuse me. Good morning, Odison. Obsidian. Bleh. You're getting to the computer a little late this morning. Did you sleep in? Or busy with your work, your job? I got a few things I'm looking at, but I think today might be a little bit of a slower day, kind of like it was the other day. I really only want to grab, very good moves here. School drop off. Ah, I see. I only really want to grab like good moves here that I can pretty much be guaranteed with, as guaranteed as you can be. So let's see what we have happen today. Today is going to be a little bit of a short day. I got errands I got to run this afternoon. So probably be here 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock my time. That was right where I was interested in, but I don't like the fact that it's bouncing a lot now. I'm going to try to hold firm here, but Amazon, yeah, I was looking at Amazon a little bit myself. You know, it was very hard for me to hold through this, but I did. I'm not gonna say it was easy, not even close. I just wanted to break up. All right. Shit, dude. That was not comfortable. I was somewhat sure of the direction here. I had a very good feeling, I guess, of that direction, but man, that flop, that direction flop scared me. I ain't even gonna lie and say it was a little scare. Nah, that was a scare and a half. Now, I guess we'll just wait to see if this triggers. If it does, it does. You know, I hope it doesn't. I want to see this just keep going, but it seems like it's having a little bit of troubles here. Just keep going up, though, please. I want the win. I want the win. You know, I want to be in this kind of in the long haul here. How high is it gonna go? I think we could see 280 again. Are we gonna get to that today? I don't know. But probably not. Probably not 280. That's probably wishful thinking. But you know, we're just gonna stick right here. You know, I don't need to do anything. So Amazon did hit above or will be coming into your 131 level here pretty soon, it looks like. I'm not going to take a look at that right this second. I'm kind of in this trade right here. PLTR also took off a little bit this morning. I don't know, compared to close to where it was yesterday's morning. Is that going to continue? Who knows? But you know, we're definitely continuing here. Definitely don't have much complaints here. Gonna try to let this do a swing, and then we'll try to figure out where it wants to go, and then we'll get underneath that. I might move it up to... I might move this up. Yeah, Obsidian, let me know what you think of Amazon as well. I'm not looking at it because I'm watching this right now. I don't want to get out. I'm hoping this is just a temporary thing here, but I'm not thinking so. I think this might be a bigger drop here. If this goes all the way back up and makes a new high, I'm going to move just underneath that. I think it's going to go back up. We need it to go back to green. It looks like it's having a little bit of trouble here. But you know, I'm trying to play these longer plays here. And get some of these bigger wins, but this is starting to look kind of weak here, but I still think the overall direction is going to be up. Yeah, I just kind of moved that up just a tab. It's starting to fill a little bit of a gap right here. Or not a gap, a flat level. So the flat level is like right there. So we'll be right here. I mean, I can't lose. I'm green. You know, it's a non-losing position for me. I just want to make the most out of this that I can, and I think this has more room on it for today. Yeah, see? I think this has a lot more room. I don't think this is ready for it to go down. And I think I'm going to get triggered here, though. Unless I could just find a whole lot of strength and just shoot. But I don't think that's going to be the case. I think I'm going to get triggered, get sold out, have a small profit day, but you know, I can live with that. This trade almost was kind of ugly. Could have been ugly. It's fighting over this. It's fighting it. This 60 mark. If it breaks that, definitely we'll have a chance to drop hard. So there it goes. Made 77. You know. Hate to see that, but glad that it was a right move. You know. Let's see what this does. Where did it get exited? Ah, shoot. Yeah, it drops. Oh, I got it sold out right where I wanted to. So, okay. And look, now it's going to start to take off here. It would have took me back to negative zones, so you know, I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. What is going on right here? So I'm not. I mean, I was sitting at like 250, but it is above my black day. Nowhere near minimums. But the market just has been a little finicky. Yesterday, that would have been a fantastic play because yesterday it just clocked right on out. That's why I was hoping for today, but today it just didn't want to do that. I'm not sure what this wants to do. It seems like it just wants to get pushed heavily down. I'm just gonna wait. You know, like what, 15 minutes or so into the day, and I'm up 77. That's not bad for 15 minutes. It's not what we want. Amazon looks like it got close to the 131 and then pulled back 50 some odd cents. 40 something. 40 to 50 cents. So 58, this is where I sold. So that was a good entry right there. Kind of. Seemingly like it wants to fight. But, you know, if you bought it right above the 7.6, you know, sold right near here, that was a 40 cent climb. Not the best, but not terrible either. Yeah, I saw AMD a little bit. AMD's back near open, I believe. So it could be flopping red green on the day, back and forth a little bit. Um Amazon's not doing much. Microsoft is not doing much. Microsoft had a blimp, a little blimp this morning. Huge dump post market yesterday, which it recovered from. All right, now this is kind of getting interesting. Is this going to be a continuation? All right, I think we might have a short over here on Tesla. I want to protect profits because I'm near max entry here. Okay. I was trying to move that. But, you know, this is all right. That I was a little concerned over at first. Okay. Now that we're kind of getting even lower here, I might be getting interested in going in again here. Maybe next candle. That was definitely a good short. I got out too soon. And, I'm not upset. I understand why I did it the way I did it. Amazon's getting close to the 200 MA. Okay. So I'm looking at possibly doing a paper trade over here. But you see how it's like doing this right here? Yeah, we'll go ahead and throw that on the paper trade with the cover right here. That's what I was thinking about doing in real life, because it tried to come up to this, it didn't. But I couldn't get myself to make that trade. Yeah, see that paper trade is still not quite working out yet. I think it wants to try to go back up. I think it wants to try to go back up. Or not. Oof. I'm kind of happy I'm just sitting back right this second. Just kind of waiting here. 20 seconds on this candle. Five. Please don't burn me. It's gonna burn me. I just think the down move is a little bit more of a possible, but I don't want to get burned. Yeah, it was. 214. So that's my new high. And then I just came down. I'm still doing all right. It's not where I want to be. Okay. No reason to flatten that. So if I cover right now, I'm at a new high. I think it could run into some troubles here. So I want to try to capture as much of this as I can, but also try to ride it out. So we're kind of coming into, I think we need to get below into the low 263s. Start to break through the 262 can probably do us really, really good. If we can get into the 262, we need to get lower on the 263. If we could start getting into the 262, we could really start seeing some good drops here. I don't want to keep going in and out here, so I want to try to allow this to work. It's so hard though. Come on, just keep going. Down, down, please. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Don't retest highs here. Because I want to have locked in profits, so I'm not going to take that off. I'm just going to hope for the continued push through this level. But it's going to end up triggering. It's losing some steam. It's wanting to pop up. But how high is it going to pop up? I have no idea. So I don't want to move this. Oh, never mind. It looks like we might be losing some steam. 20 seconds on this candle. If it could stay red, that might help us. If it can stay red. That's why I said, can you go red? No, you're not. Okay. Well, that's fine. I'm at a new high. Barely. But it's still a new high. I mean, alright. We're going to sit back a little bit. Amazon is going down. Market seems unsteady. I probably won't be interested in it unless we're looking at going down to the 262. Honestly, even at this price right here, I'm happy. I'm not thrilled, but you know I'll take it. That's a big pop up there. That's kind of what I was getting worried about. So I definitely got filled very nice. Or not filled, but covered in a very nice area. Quite happy about that. That will work. Like what is that book with the talking pig and spider? And the guy goes, "That will do, pig, that will do." Yeah. That's what I'm feeling like today. That will do, pig, that will do. Charlotte's Web. That's what it was. They actually made a movie of Charlotte's Web. It was actually a pretty good movie. I remember watching that when I was younger. Watched it when it came out. It was on we had it on VHS. There's a whole group of people who are going to be like, what is a VHS? Probably not you guys watching, but yeah, no, yeah, you know the people I'm talking about that are going to be like, what the hell's a VHS tape? And to me, that's just kind of funny, or it's weird, funny and weird. Please be kind and rewind. Blockbuster. And the tapes were never rewound, so you got all the spoilers by looking at the tape as it ran backwards, and you saw the spoilers, and that kind of sucked. Because the TV that we had the VHS built into the TV, so you had to have the thing on. Oh, you missed the drop on Amazon? Yeah, yeah, I took a full size then over here on Tesla, so I spent every bit of what was it? 400 times by 264, I guess, 0.5, somewhere in there. So I spent every bit 105 on the last short that I did. I've already covered it. I've already gone in on this 1400 shares, and I'm already starting to feel like I might be, because the way the market's been, it's been kind of finicky recently. And I'm a-okay with just making a little bit of a profit here and then chilling. I want to stay green. I'm at a new high. So, I'm at a new high and I'm green. It was a little nerve wracking. It was a little nerve wracking in two of the trades I did. Especially this early morning one right here where it really kind of went negative, but I was pretty sure the up move was going to be pretty good. Did not expect this big of a down drop here, or I should have shorted it over in here somewhere. I ended up shorting it somewhere down here, so I did not make as much as I could have. I was not expecting that big of a drop. I'm just dead honest. I really wasn't. So I'm just kind of chilling. Like I sold some stuff on Amazon, sold some stuff on eBay. So today is a good profit day for me. I don't want to make it a bad profit day. That's the thing I like about Amazon and eBay, right? You can make some consistent, semi predictable profit margins when you buy something. As I say, you don't make money when you buy something. You don't make money when you sell something. You make money when you buy something. If you're doing it as a retail business. So I've made several purchases and they've all been very, very good to me. For the most part, I'm losing money on some things, but it's fine. It is what it is. I kind of knew I was a little high on those, but I was trying to, establish a good business relationship with somebody. So it was kind of predictable that I would. So I'm just kind of, I got another sale just now. Actually, I want to uninstall that and reinstall that because I'm not getting the right sounds for it. And I forgot to do it earlier. So the sounds that normally come with the app is like the cash register sound. So it's like chick ching, and I just get the bloop sound. I want the chick ching, chick ching, chick ching. I like that chick ching sound. And so this is getting top heavy again. There's a chance that this could go down. Oh shoot, I still have it on my paper trade. Ha! Missed out on the big drop there. Dude, I was in kind of good money wise. Oh well, I'll leave it right where it's at because I don't care. Um, I'm just kind of happy right now. The last few days hasn't been fantastic. It's been very slow, which I'm happy that I wasn't trying to force it. But oh shoot, that's a long ass password. I forgot. It's one of those secured ones. So I gotta do it on here and copy paste. But but you know, it's gonna be kind of good to just plan that out. So over on my paper trade, exits up here, I entered somewhere right in here. Forgot to move the stop loss down. So I guess that's just playing out as um, a really long play. I guess while I wait for that, uh, go to my eBay. Waiting shipment. What phone do they do? Samsung Galaxy S21. I need to quit losing money on some of these things. Oh God. Yeah, this one I'm losing. I've had this phone though for how many days? 455 days. It's time for it to go. Box 10, slot 2. Where's box 10? That's gonna be box 10, slot 2. Maybe they're gonna be this one. 23. Nope. 33. No. Oh, it is this one. Oh, I'm an idiot. Values only. Yeah, I did delete it from over here. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get this one printed off. Get this out the door. This is starting to come down in a good area. Quite possibly. So I'm losing money on this one, but you know what? At least I'll have the cash that I can go and use it somewhere else. That's the important thing. And it's no longer my problem. That's always the good thing. And just how much money did I lose? That's what we gotta find out. Sale price. too damn freaking much. $92. $92. Oh well. That's still gonna be money coming into my bank account that I'll utilize somewhere else. So bye bye problem, basically. Um that's enough that. I don't need to do anything with these papers yet. And that's popping back up. Alright, I'm gonna pop off. Oh, hey, car. Sorry, I just kind of saw you over there. I'm green on the day. It's been a kind of a little bit of a mediocre day here. But I gotta pop off for a second. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. And hopefully I don't miss anything here. I'm gonna still keep an eye over here on Tesla. I'm wondering we might actually start having a drop in Tesla over this week. We'll see. I'll be right back. You stay here, like. Alright. I wasn't gone all that long. I knew I wouldn't be. Anyway, how are you doing, A-Car? How's your stocks doing? Hopefully everybody's making money today. Jay and Obsidian, are you guys green? Small green day? Okay. Hey, green is green, right? You can't complain about being green. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that phone right there. I know I'm green right now, fairly green, but about close to halfway to target. This stock looks like it wants to finally not work out for us. Almost lost all profit on my paper trade on this stock here. So I just moved it to basically where it would be a break even on my paper trade. I was too busy with my real trade that I wasn't paying attention to that one. Nice smelling candle. But I'm kind of happy that the paper trade is not working out, but the real money trade did. Fantastic. You know, we've been having some green days recently. I'm actually kind of happy about that. You know, Monday was a gray day, but I was green, like $5. Right around, it was just over $5 if I remember right. Yesterday was $133. Today is 220. I think with what we've been having, I think that those are not bad numbers. Um, I think we're doing all right here. Is GM gonna start falling? I might start keeping a little bit of an eye on GM here. Maybe do something like this. Grab the breakout. I mean, is that going to be profitable? Seems like the point two is acting as some problems there. So we'll go up to 3-1. We'll see what that does. Actually, we'll take that off. I don't want to be in that high. I don't want to have 100 shares. I don't feel super confident with it. So we're just gonna walk away from that. But you know what? I got the alerts in here canceled. You know, the cancel orders. So I can look through the cancel orders later and see, you know, if I was right, if I was wrong, you know, per the time. So I'm not gonna be too worried about it. Two 27 into 12. I was just looking at Ford at some levels. Not interested in Ford right now. I would want it to drop for me to try to get back in, but it may actually be a good stock. I don't know. I don't think Ford will get all the way up here. So could be interesting to try to do some naked calls around 14. You might be able to say even 13, do some naked calls. Not super profitable though. But 14 definitely I don't think will happen. Very, very, very unlikely. So 13 13.5. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with options. Options fucked me up the other day. Back in August. All right. Are we looking at below 264? Coming down to this 264. Good red candle. Little bit of a pop here. Rejected. 264. Broke. Goes up. Coming back down to 264. At 264. I think 264 is definitely trying to do something here. I don't know if that's going to do something for us here. I think I would want to be a little bit lower than a 264. Oh. Obsidian, how are you doing? Oh, there it goes. New low. Oh, shoot, that was a lot of support. 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 Shit. I got screwed. Oh, that was a lot of support that came in right where I got in at. I couldn't. Not again. All right, guys. I'm done for the day. I'm out. I'm not gonna keep. I'm not gonna make it worse for me. I don't think. I just went to red. I tried and I failed. Damn. So that might be the I might book a red day here. Let me watch this for a second here. I'm still feeling. Welcome back, Akar. I just lost money. I just gave all back my profit, and I'm now negative 96. I'm upset. I'm upset. So I think I'm gonna be done. Yeah, lost money, no good. 100%. So I think I'm gonna be done. I'm just watching this because I think a good push down here is possible. Down 22% in the month. Ouch. I'm surprised this is still going up. I'm just trying to watch this carefully here. I think underneath that massive support, maybe. Okay, that's better. So now I'm in the black. I'm only down $45. I can live with being in the black. I can live with that. Not sure what's gonna happen here. If I could change my color, make it kind of dark red, super dark red. Oh, that's actually not a bad looking color. Kind of gothy, but also, yeah. Dude, I've actually done that, but I actually wanted to go down, not up. I know I lost money. I'm down 45 bucks right now. I went short on Tesla, like right somewhere right in here, and it just massive support jumped in and shot up like crazy. It should have been going down and making a new level. That's what I was expecting, and I got jacked. That's what happened. I just got jacked the frick up. I was down 100. I came back up some. I got a little bit longer that I can sit here before I have to take off to go do my Amazon and eBay and stuff. So I want to try to flip back to green or at least break even. I've only traded Tesla today so far. I was expecting a drop to continue on Tesla. I really did. Right there at the base of the support. I screwed up. Yeah, I was looking at that one a little bit side eyeing. Who knows what that one will do right this second. Hmm. I don't know if I'm gonna flip my opinion on this and think long. Is this gonna start working its way back up? Spy's not doing good, so it's kind of hard to gauge from that. But Tesla sometimes doesn't take it easy, A car. Oh, I'm sorry about that. But I'm hoping that maybe this does something here. Yeah, this feels like it wants to come back up here. So that's a pretty good climb back up. That made me slightly better. So I'm only 40 down. Looks like it wants to go green on this next candle, I'm thinking. If this stays up here, green can definitely pop up. Amazon's kind of getting interesting. But I think I want that to come down even more, so I don't have all that much longer before I have to take off. So I might be just having a $40 black. I don't like that resistance right there, but I think this has the ability to really pop here. Because if these shorts start to have to cover, they're going to really make this jump up. I don't want to stay in this long if it doesn't work. got out a little early, but I broke even again. So I'm actually only a couple dollars away because I have short fees I have to pay. So I'm only $7 short now. So 7 short. Take that straight to black. Still think a pop here is likely. Definitely more so if it gets back up green on the day. It's coming up and testing center VWAP. It's above center VWAP now. You got rising candles here. I think if it can get up here, we might see another run here. I'm just kind of being patient. Where that opened at. Basically at 266.20. So 266.21, it will flip back to green. That will be flipped back to green by 1 penny. That's where it opened. That'll be green. That's red. We both know these dollars can act as resistance points. I've said that before. Wow. I do think I'm bullish on this now. This is going to be a stop and go play. Right there will be my exit. And if it triggers, I'm out. I'll be done for the rest of the day. For sure. Because that should be a very good support area right here. It should just go up. If I'm thinking right. I think I broke even. Slightly above even. 201. So I'm $4 profit. 213 from my HOD. So it just turned green on the day. I don't know if I like that. Yeah, see, Tesla pulled back up. That's the halt level right there. Oh, wow, look at that 300. We're not going to mess with that. We're not going to mess with that. No, I don't want to. TPST, I just think will be very, very dangerous. It's halting way too much. The It's gonna shoot down. I don't think it's gonna go up. It'd be way too dangerous to try to play that. This, I don't think is gonna be safe to play. I think it's gonna trade back and forth and be very, very choppy. So you know what? I'm done for the day. I got other stuff I have to go do. So I I don't see Rivian. It just keeps pushing down. But I don't know if I want to do anything with that. Yeah, see, I would have gotten out right there. So that would have been a losing deal. Yeah, I think I agree. I'm barely green, barely. I'm I'm green $4. I was green a lot more, so I'm down 213 from my HOD. You know, I clawed back the 100 that I was short. Yeah, I think we missed the moves on Rivian for sure. Shorting it earlier this morning would have been beautiful. Now I think it would be just trying to chase it, which is the reason why I was like, yeah, no, I'm good. This here, I think, is ultimately going to go up, and it's probably going to make a new high of day. But I think this is going to act as some resistance like it did here. So it might pop up a little bit and come back down. But tomorrow, I could be very, very interested in going long on Tesla. It could also break way below here and just absolutely tank. But it really would need to break below the 262, get into the very bottom part of 262, which is what I thought was going to happen, right over in here. No, not there. Yeah, right down in here. I was hoping that this was going to bust right through the bottom of 263 and get into the high of 262s, and then I thought it was going to pop back up, maybe retest the 263, and then go down more. I didn't expect the price pop. So kind of got surprised a little bit by that. Oh, that's still going. I thought it was going to go down. No, there it goes. It is going to go down. People were hoping it was going to go up and they were playing it, and now they're paying for it. So this is probably going to drop really quite hard after this halt because a lot of people were missing out on trying to get out. Yeah, people are setting up way down here. Way, way down here. They just want to get out. And I don't see that much people trying to run up the price. So that's going to be on its way out. I'm glad I didn't touch it. I was thinking about touchy touchy, but did not touchy touchy. Trying to get it out of that stock would be kind of difficult, I think. All right. 10, 15. Basically 10, 15. I think I think this is just a good place to call it for today, dude. I mean, it kind of sucks. I could have had a much better play on Tesla this morning. Um, Gave it back, but you know what? At least I'm not negative. I think that's what I'm happy about. I did claw back up through, but I'm below HOD. Anything from this point would be just taking risks, I think. I mean, look at the volume. The volume is severely decreasing now. I thought right here on this we're gonna see volume spikes all the way down, but that didn't happen. Shot up instead. So I'll take a look at this later on today. But I gotta run out of the house, so I won't be around the computer at all. So whenever I walk, once I get off of here, it is really the end of my day. And now that is tanking. What the hell, dude? Um, Shocker. Um, I'm only $87 short. No, 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 no. Hold up. 126 short from HOD. So that's almost about half. Oh yeah, I see that. We'll try again, maybe. It would be a stop and go only. I kind of like the fact that this is not gaining a whole lot of strength. Of course, now it does. All right, come on, boy. Keep going. Keep going. You know, that I'm definitely back in the green. So where am I now? 27, 341. So $73 short from HOD. So I'm back at $144 profit. I kind of wanted to just drop, 2,000 freaking shares on Rivian. I could have made really good money if I did that. Uh, right around the 9.5, below that swing low, but did not expect the that huge market adjustment that happened there. So very, very hard to gauge that. But, this is what we were watching. This is what we saw. This is what we grabbed. Queen and Spy are on their way down. Pretty hard. They're not recovering. I just know I'm not far from my HOD. I'm really happy with where I'm at now. And I got other stuff I really have to go do, but this is just, this kind of stuff doesn't happen all this often. So I'm trying to make sure I watch it good. All right, everything is popping back up. Everything is tracing back up. All right, I'm out. I'm green. I'm 73 below HOD. Um, that's very respectable for me. I'm happy with that. So that's a point 0.5 of a jump for today. That makes me 1% on the week. 1% on the week. I'm pretty darn happy with that. That is looking pretty good. I gave back too much money. So now it's just a matter of uh just rolling with this, I guess. I just got a message over on. Why do people ask me stupid questions that are right in the listing? Some people. I gotta type out this email to this eBay customer, so sorry about that. Give me a second. Some people, they just, I don't know. I don't tend to try to understand it. I am just sitting here. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with that. Everything appears that could be going back down, but I don't know. I'm still just trying to do my eBay here. Check my Amazon store. I'm just doing like the normal stuff I would have to do when I logged off of here anyway. There it goes. I'm kind of glad that didn't get filled, but kind of annoyed. Okay, maybe a little bit more than just annoyed. Alright, nothing on my Amazon. eBay's been squared. So I don't need to worry about anything else there. I gotta do some more eBay stuff later. Shit, I really gotta get going. I can't be sitting here that much longer. But this is just looking like something can happen here. So I'm trying to give it just enough time, but I am running out of time. I feel like that might be dangerous, but yeah, I said that might be dangerous, but might be dangerous, but not doing it. I was thinking though, if it gets below, near the point 0.8 on that dollar switch there, it could help it try to go all the way down to a new low and be a really good play, but I'm only down 73 from my HOD. I have other things I need to go do. I am trying to rush a trade. I could make a very, very big disastrous mistake. So I'm going to go ahead and take my $144 profit. I'm going to book that as a win for today. I'm going to leave and go do other things I need to go do. And will fight for another day. Yeah, this can all wait for another day. You know, I'm up on the week. I'm doing things smart. I am being patient. I am waiting. We still got 2 more days. We might be looking at maybe a drop in the market here if things still keep on wanting to do what they're doing. Um, so if the market starts turning a little bit, that could be useful for any shorts. So we don't need to go running into them right now. We can allow things to just do their own and get back with things later. Yeah, I'm agreeing with myself at this point. Everything else can wait. I'm not even gonna trade that. That is too much of a crazy bitch. So yeah, I'm out. See you guys later. I am ending the stream. I am getting up from my desk. I am not gonna sit here. I am not gonna trade at all. Period. I'm done for today because I gotta leave the house. Yeah, I got like 30 minutes. Actually, I got a little bit longer than that. I got like an hour and 30 minutes before I absolutely have to be out of this house. And it's going to take me about 30 minutes to get out of the house. 30 to 40 minutes. So, time is definitely running a little short with me here. So, Jay, I hope you are green. Obsidian, I hope you are green. I'm just glad I got back to being green. Um, I think I wish I played things a little bit better today. Could have had a better day. Could definitely had a better day. But you know, that's the way the market crumbles sometimes. So I'm out of here. Have a good day. I know I've said that a half gazillion times, but I'm clicking the button right now. Bye.